precise voice of Chief Justice Owindolo.
Me a kibu me kadi wo ka ma king boy ko ma juri nyaaw boy ko ma juri o bidi yu e ko biru ka ko ba ko ma ko ko ara ko di king je ma a da mu de yu ki de to ki di
There is an 80 analysis of Dr. Olaro Tunu.
Kawa mede kin makombe di eneni wanyia chuli pere biru wenye matwal ki history.
The deep drum beats of Buala. The sweet songs of Acholi women. The breathtaking views of Lapon Hills. And those emotional thunderous welcomes of Rochupaja teams. Do you remember the laughter? The Lukemi songs? The jokes, the feeling that Acholi can still be united again. Well, sadly, it didn't happen this year. Yes, Rochupaja extensions did not happen. And now, Gurre Pongdwongo is also not going to happen this year. For many people in Acholi, Gurre Pongdwongo is not just an annual event. It's a symbol of unity, culture, wisdom, and homecoming. It brings together elders, leaders, and youth from across the world to celebrate the identity of the Acholi nation. But according to an official notice from Rochupaja, released on the 3rd of November 2025, the organization has decided to skip this year's edition. After wide consultations, Rochupaja has decided not to hold the annual convocation known as Gurre Pongdwongo this year 2025. This is due to the present very hectic and crowded season of campaigns and elections. All other activities of Rochupaja will continue normally. The next edition will be held in December 2026. Signed, Professor Boya Kinyera Sam, Executive Director, Roco. Pongdwongo 2025, the team says it's because of the ongoing campaigns and elections, a busy, sensitive period across the country. Many, this pause brings disappointment, but maybe also reflection. Because Roco has always been more than an event. It's a movement of the heart. A reminder that even if politics divide, culture unites. As we wait for 2026, let's keep that unity alive in our daily lives, in our homes, our language, our laughter, our community spirit. Roco may pause, but Acholi identity must not. Yere kiribepe laro pajo kati wako. Kape in chianga. Until 2026, keep the flame of Acholi burning.